Day 1, what is ETL? Before any dashboard, AI model or chatbot gives good answers, data needs to go through one important process, ETL. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. Extract means taking data from different sources. For example, Google Ads, LinkedIn, MailChimp, databases, or APIs. Transform means cleaning and preparing that data. This can include removing duplicates, fixing column names, join tables, or creating useful business metrics. Load means moving the final data into a warehouse, lakehouse, or analytics system. So instead of having messy data in many different places, ETL helps create one clean and trusted reporting table. Simple example. Marketing data from Google Ads, LinkedIn, and MailChimp becomes one clean table for campaign reporting. That is ETL explained simply. Extract the data, transform the data, log the data. And this is the foundation behind dashboards, analytics, machine learning, and AI. In the next video, we are going to talk about why ETL still matters in the AI era. So until next time, keep learning and keep building.